Hey, Grant here. This is something that my wife and I really enjoy. We really like it. It's a KW11 tripod floor fan. And one of the good features about this thing, you charge it and you unplug it, so then you don't have to have an outlet anywhere where you might want to use it, even like in your backyard. If there's no breeze going, a little stuffy, you can take it out there and set it with you in the backyard and whatever. But anyway, that's one of the features you really like. It's very lightweight. It's got some various things that you can do with it. Let me show you how that goes. Okay, so when you get it, you got two pieces. You got the legs, tripod legs, and you have the fan itself. That's all there is to it. You also, this is the charger you use. You plug it in the wall and plug it in. It's almost like a USB. And when it charges, you don't need to have it plugged in anymore. And you also have a neat little remote. Okay, so the tripod legs, all these do is you're thinking, well, this thing's awful short, but flip this open. Telescopic legs. And then all you got to do here now is just snap that down and you're ready to go. And I'll show you some of the features on how all different things work. Okay, so here we've got the fan and the controls here. Just to get started, just push this button here and you got your fan. So you have, that's on speed 1. You have up to 6 speeds. That's the high. Very easy to check whatever speeds that you want to set it on. This is showing you how much charge is left on it. Starts at 100, it's full charge, it's going down. This button here, if you don't want the display, that's all that is. Turn it off or turn it on. This here is a timer. You can set how long you want it to go and it'll turn off by itself. This here is kind of a neat feature. It's called a wind function, and it tries to mimic the natural wind. And you set up to 6, and when you hit it where this little feather is showing, what that means, it starts off with the speed 6, and then in 5 seconds it goes down to a lower speed. Then in 5 seconds it goes down to 4. And then in 5 seconds it goes down to speed 3. And on down to 1. And then it just starts over, starts building back up. Every 5 seconds to speed 2, on up back, and it goes back and forth like that. So it's kind of a neat function. And then this last button down here is your oscillator. So this is a really neat fan. Like I said, you're not restricted to have an outlet plugged into. You can just pick it up and take it wherever you want to. It's lightweight. And again, we have the remote. And where the order that the buttons are on here, they're on the remote, the same order. Everything works the same. Turn it off. And you're done. So that's it. This is your floor fan with the extending tripod legs by Coohea. Very simple to use, as you can tell on the number 6 speed. It's very powerful, but it's very easy to set all your different levels. and change it back and forth to whatever you want to make it work for you. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.